My name is Marcos Tamargo, from Gijón, 1982. My work is usually divided between Spain and New York, and the paintings that you are going to see are representative of these trips between United States, Spain, Germany, etc. For example, aerial views like the ones you observe when the plane lands or takes off, seashore landscapes, city lights, or the sea hitting the rocks of the coasts. However, other pictures are hidden underneath in these canvases. I mean, under all the frames there is a light switch, so when you turn off the normal light and you switch on the black light, you can see another completely different painting. For example, you can see a view of a city daytime or nighttime, an aerial view with both normal light and ultraviolet light, or even people faces, usually of people that I meet in my trips.